Managing data-heavy spreadsheets just got easier. With Collabora's new Handle Duplicate Records tool, you can now identify and clean up duplicate entries in just a few clicks. Let's say you're working with an internal employee database. Duplicate entries based on employee ID or email can lead to payroll errors, system access issues, or compliance risks. To remove duplicates, first select the column you wish to check, for example, email. Go to the Data tab and choose Advanced Filter. In the Filter dialog, under Read Filter Criteria from, reselect the column you want to check. Click Options and check the box labelled No Duplications. Then click OK to apply the filter. Collabora will instantly scan your data and remove repeated entries, keeping only one instance of each unique value. The way it works is that it hides the duplicate rows, so if you ever want them back, simply right-click and choose Show Rows. It's a simple and powerful way to keep your data clean, accurate, and compliant. You can also check for duplicates across the whole table. To do this, select the entire table or the specific range of columns you want to evaluate and choose Advanced Filter in the Data tab. In the Filter dialog, reselect the columns you want to check. Click Options and check the box labelled No Duplications. To separate filtered results into a new location on your sheet, check the Copy Results to option. Select the range of cells where you want the filtered data to be copied. Then click OK to apply the filter. The original table stays untouched, and the cleaned, duplicate-free records are copied to the new location. This is especially useful when you want to preserve your original dataset while generating a clean version for review, sharing, or further analysis. Whether you're working in CRM management, sales reporting, or cleaning financial data, the Handle Duplicate Records tool is your go-to solution for smarter, faster spreadsheet management. Try it out in your next spreadsheet. For more helpful tips, subscribe to our channel.